Bodyline bumper and trim aerosols.
Before starting any work, ensure you're wearing appropriate PPE for the task.
Clean the surface to be painted with a waterborne pre-cleaner. Apply Bodyline Plastic Adhesion Promoter. This will ensure the best results from the product. Allow this to flash off. Apply Bodyline Clear Textured Coating. This will help to recreate textured OEM trim finishes. The textured coating will be over-paintable after 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the amount of the material applied. Bodyline bumper and trim aerosols are available in a variety of colours and all come with an adjustable fan nozzle. Choose between a thin vertical spray pattern and a standard round pattern, depending on the type of finish required. Apply the bumper and trim aerosols in cross coats from a distance of 250 mm, allowing a brief flash off between each coat until full coverage is achieved. The product will be dry after 10 to 25 minutes at an ambient temperature of 23 degrees Celsius.